Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you how to combine the cross crawl and rotation and the squat into one thing. I've already shown you how to do the cross crawl drop squat, which is fantastic, but I've been adding a roll to it lately, or a standing rotation roll to it. I'll just show you what I'm talking about. But this is really a neat movement, and it helps develop balance and stability, but also mobility and strength. Well, it's just the whole shebang. And it's fun to do, and it kind of keeps you alert, but it gives you the opportunity to practice control. So all you do is, we're gonna rotate, do a cross crawl, and then we're gonna unrotate, go into the squat, come up, rotate, look behind us, squat down, rotate, touch, squat down, rotate, touch, squat down. So here's where the control comes in, because it gives you the opportunity to practice. What do you own? Do you own your balance? Do you own your speed? Are you falling into the ground? Are you controlling it into the ground? And doing that rotation, taking this arm looking behind, really turns on some good things up in your torso, your lats. And you want to feel your hips. When you do this right here, wow, those hips come alive because they're holding you up, trying to stabilize you. Anyway, this is just a movement I've really been enjoying. And if you want to play with your brain even more, you can like alternate. Do I hold my hands this way when I squat, or do I hold them this way? And then if you purposely alternate, even bigger bang for your buck, giving your nervous system something amazing. That's the rotational squat, cross crawl squat, drop control movement. Again, I don't do cool names, but daggone, I find some fun movements to do. All right, give that a shot. Let me know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net. To train with Tim, go to osi-online.com.